least once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too, sneaking looks up and down from across the room.
Happy New Year, guys! This is my preparation for today, for tonight, New Year's Eve, guys. Lutong-luto ng aking shrimp. From my family to yours, happy New Year! Yan, luto na ang aking pansit. Hindi mawawala ang pansit, guys. Pangpalong life. Thank you so much talaga, guys, sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa akin, sa panonood ng aking videos. Thank you so much. Hopefully this 2024 is tayo, guys, prosperous whole year. At luto na din ang aking kanin. Hindi mawawala ang kanin. Rice with munggo siya, guys. Okay. So, my fish is ready. Ito yung handa ko mamayang 12 midnight for New Year's Eve. Nag-prepare ako ng maga kasi may work pa ako, guys. Ilagay ko lang ito sa heater at mag-back to work na din ako. So, see you later at 12 midnight. Happy New Year, guys! From my family to yours, happy New Year! Sana positive lang tayo this whole year, 2024, Year of the Dragon. Naghanda ako ng guys, pang-welcome ng 2024. Positive lang tayo sa buong taon. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat this year at nalagpasan natin ang 2023 na mga pagsubok sa buhay. At sana sa buong 2024, positive lang tayo lagi. Happy New Year, guys!